Hello everyone! Today we are making a new hardcore series because, well, I was playing off camera and a creeper kind of sort of snuck up on me and yeah. So let's start off punching some trees. I don't think there's a village nearby. Kind of sucks, but you can just make some wooden tools. Wish I had an axe. Alright, let's go. Sorry guys, something happened and I played a little bit. So it was recently nighttime and I got attacked a little bit. I'm kinda low and the spider's still after me. It's raining now and I did chop down a little more wood with my fist. So let's go ahead and make a crafting table. You should be able to craft a sword and fight the spider. I got the stick from a tree when it was like disintegrating. Okay. Oh. We should be able to make a house with this wood. Okay. Now we have decent things. Okay. Let's do this. For now, we're just going to make a little shack, but we will upgrade it. Oh. Okay. Okay. No. One more. Okay. The door's almost. Okay, I can get out. Okay, let's get some more wood. One more log and we can make it. Oh, 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. So now we can craft an axe to, get wood faster. What the hell? Okay. Alright, axe. Perfect. Let's get some wood. Oh, that's much better. Okay. Okay. We need a lot of wood. Alright, well, I'm gonna need a lot of wood, so I'll come back when I have a bunch of logs. I have plenty of food. I mean, logs. Okay. So, we can continue our house. Okay. Let's go. Okay, let's make these. Okay, I'm gonna keep 4 just for a smoker. Alright. We have 2 stacks. Okay. We're making a house. Oh. Okay, 1 more, and then I will make a roof. Okay. Hey, watch this. Alright, I can speed bridge. Pretty cool, huh? It's just a little shack for now. Nothing much, but we'll upgrade it. I didn't get to kill that much sheep, so that's not good. But yeah, now we have a house. We'll do the floor later. Maybe we can make an item frame, just because I want to. Alright, item of the day. String. Okay. I wish I had a bed. Sheep. Oh, what? Okay. Where are all the sheeps? I need sheep wool. Alright, there's no sheep around. Okay. Alright. Now, we will finally get stone. First achievement. Yes, first achievement. Let's go. Yes. Let's get a lot of stone. Okay. Alright, how much stone do I have? Maybe some more. Oh, iron. Nice. Alright, I can make a stone pickaxe and a stone axe. Okay. Wait. Just one? Okay. Alright. Oh, it's getting nighttime. Okay. I'll have 2 left. Okay. Okay. I can make We can make a shovel. We could just use the axe for a weapon. Smelt our iron. And let's smelt some food. Alright. Well, I think that's a good place to end off this episode of our new hardcore series. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment down below of what you thought. And I will see you next time. Goodbye.